In this video, you will learn how to import Charles Schwab 1099 into TurboTax. First, log in. Log into your TurboTax account. Open TurboTax online or desktop and sign into your account. Navigate to the investment income section. Go to the federal taxes, then tap on wages and income and find the investment income section. Select to import your 1099. Choose the option to import your 1099 forms. Search for Charles Schwab. From the list of financial institutions, select Charles Schwab. Log into your Charles Schwab account. Enter your Charles Schwab login details to connect your account securely. Select your 1099 form to import. Choose the relevant tax year and the 1099 form so you can import it into TurboTax. Review and confirm. Review the imported data carefully for accuracy, then confirm it to make sure your tax return is correct. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.